In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen and view participants in Google Meet. Whether you're hosting a virtual meeting, conducting an online class, or just catching up with friends, knowing how to share your screen while keeping an eye on everyone involved is essential. Let's dive right in and make the most out of your Google Meet experience. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Google Calendar. This is where your upcoming meetings are scheduled, and it's a convenient way to access your Google Meet link. Once you're in Google Calendar, find the meeting you want to join. You'll see it listed amongst your scheduled events. Clicking on it will give you an option to open the meeting invitation, where you can find a button labeled Join with Google Meet. Go ahead and click on that to enter your meeting room. As soon as you're ready, a Join Now button will appear. Clicking on Join Now brings you directly into the meeting. You're now part of the live session and can begin interacting with participants. Next, let's address how to share your screen, especially if you're using a dual monitor setup. In the lower portion of the Google Meet window, there's an option that looks like a box with an arrow pointing upwards. That's your Screen Share button. Click on Share Screen. This is your gateway to presenting documents, slides, or any content you have ready to go. Once you've clicked Share Screen, you'll see several options. You can choose to share your entire screen, a specific application window, or a particular Chrome tab if you're using Google Chrome. For a more focused presentation, selecting a specific window ensures that participants only see what's relevant. If you're using two monitors, the flexibility increases. Having a dual monitor setup allows you to keep your presentation viewable to participants on one screen, while the other screen maintains a view of all the meeting participants. This way, you can manage the flow of your presentation while staying engaged with your audience. Another effective method is by adjusting your presentation window alongside the meeting participant window. This is especially helpful when using a single monitor. You can resize and position the windows in a way that lets you present effectively while still keeping an eye on who's in the meeting and their reactions. These steps should have you confidently sharing your screen in no time, enabling you to deliver effective and engaging presentations during your Google Meet sessions. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take some time to explore these features and see how they can work best for you. Thanks for joining me today, and happy presenting!